So what happens is, it'll show a bubble coming in a water filter, then the water falling onto the plug, the electric circuits getting all thinged out, and then after that, this laser thing will start turning on. Higher temperature. Keeps going higher, and then it starts beeping, warning. And she's starting to get scared. So she'll take the remote, she'll try and reach for the remote, and then it'll drop, and that turns on the laser. So when it comes and hits her, all blood comes, and she does this, and it'll show the laser like making lines. And since it's at such a high temperature, it's cutting her hand. But then she gets off. She pulls the thing, she breaks the laser, she gets off. So when everyone comes in to warn her, she'll be like, oh no, look what it did to me. And then she trips backwards and falls out of the window. I know.
Then
She falls out the window, hits the car, dies, and her eyeball rolls out.
Oh shit.
Why did they show
But then
all that?
is she happy in the end?
No,
She must have got a lot of money for doing that, right? That role?
no, not really. She just had like 5 minutes of total screen time.
Oh. Coming, I'm just seeing a video of your daughter.